Namaste. The last lecture I taught you, I spoke about ruchi, different types of taste, 6 tastes. I would like to enlighten some things in this matter. See, ruchi, even ruchi, every taste has got some qualities. If it is, I told you karam, it means pungent. People who take pungent more, their character will not change as angry person. Gives rudram, kovam, The same way, people who consume more sugar, they are prone to sex feelings. And people who consume more salt, it gives more attachment to the family, affection to the family. So like that, if it is bitter taste, normally any medicines, for good things, we say it is bitter. So even children or anybody, they don't like to take the medicine. But always bitter is good, like charatis, which controls insulin. Okay, so these are the various tastes, it has got its own quality. And more salt, even Russia proved that it produces cancer. So that means all these things, we should have a balanced diet, Too much sugar or too much spicy things and too much of salt, everything. And even this pulipu, what you call as sour, it is not actually good for the health. Too much, this will eat away our bones. So these are the various character of this taste. So I told you about sweet, I told you about salty, and I told you about spices, the character of spices we eat. Then I also told you about the sour things. So the different, and salt and tamarind, more tamarind is not good. Okay, now I am going to take another interesting chapter called 9 gems. 9 gems, just for our knowledge, 9 gems, which we call as Navaratna. In Tamil also it's called Navaratna. Written in English, Na, Va, Ra, It, Na, Ingal, Navaratnangal. It's a plural. Na, Va, Ra, It, Na, Ing, Ka, Il, Navaratnangal. Means 9 gems. See, first I am going to take this. Let us go as per the weekdays. On Sunday, people who are having Leo, they will wear the ruby. In English called ruby, it is called manikam in Tamil. I have written manikam. Now, people who are born either with one number or on Sunday, they keep the gents, they keep the name as manikam. You can find in Tamil Nadu. So this Ma, Ni, Ik, Ka, Im. See, this monicum normally obtained from Burma, the old, now it is called Myanmar. The old name was Burma. It's near Kohima, Nagaland. So people, actually this comes in a very big, like big stone. Actually it is said that this is surrounded by a lot of snakes. So in the snake pit only it's available, and these people who are removing this stone, this manicum, they use put some type of leaf, and give intoxication to the snakes. The snakes will be in an intoxication mode, At the time they remove this piece and they make it to the pieces and bring to the Kohima border. So this is called Manikam. People who are having number 1 or Leo only can wear this as per astrology. Okay, now let us come to the second one. It's a pearl, which is called Samut. You know, there are 2 types of muttu. One is a grey color, other one is a white color. Actually, in India, Thoothukudi is famous for its muttu. You might have heard a song in Hindi, Muttu Kudike Varida in Tamil. Same Bombay to Goa, they have made a film. So this is also a game, you know. To remove that muttu, they dive in the sea and bring that muttu. So this is called pearl, muttu. But actually, if you see, the main muttu is available from near the Hawaii Island, Japan. They are famous for this pearl. Okay. Then comes coral for Tuesday. Coral means this pavaram. It is orange in color. Pavaram, pavaram, written in English P-A-V-A-Z-H, because for Ra I am writing Z-H. So pavaram. People who are having astrological number 9 will wear this. But this pavaram should not be worn by anybody unnecessarily, because people get anger. This is for Mars, you know. Actually, it is Mars. You know, it is a very next hottest planet like the Sun. So people who are wearing this, they should be very careful wearing this. And then comes emerald. Emerald in Tamil it is called Maragadam. Maragadam. You know, Tamil in South there was a old film called Maragadam. Because you find the Maragadam is also a name kept for the ladies, especially in South. Those who are, this belongs to Wednesday. Wednesday as an infinity likes color green. So any child, any girl child born on this Wednesday, normally you find they keep the name as Maragadam in Tamil Nadu mostly. There was a old lady called Maragadam in Coimbatore. She was a famous doctor, specialist in the blood cancer. Okay, Maragadam. So Maragadam. Then comes Topaz. It's called Thursday, Guru Bhagwan. T-O-P-A, is that we are writing? It's called Pushparagam in Tamil. Yes. P-U-S-H-P-A-R-A-G-A-M. Pushparagam. Tamil is writing. P-U-Sh-P-A-R-A-G-A-M. I'm repeating. Pushparagam. Here there's a dot. Not seen properly. Okay. Then for 6th one is a diamond for Friday, Venus. People who are having 6th number or born on Friday or in month of April, they will wear this Vairam, the diamond. This is Vairam is written Vairam, diamond. You know, it is a very hard substance of carbon. Actually, if somebody eats away the diamond, they will die. You cut your nerves. So it's a very hard one, hard gem. So there was saying by Sumani Bharati, you know, for Vaira Nenjam Vendum. Vaira Nenjam means you should have a mind, heart, just like a hard, like a diamond. Vaira Nenjam Vendum is one of the saying by Sumani Bharati. Okay. Even when Santa Ramdas was Bhadrajam Ramdas. He was imprisoned by the king for misusing the funds of the, and he built a temple. So he was put under jail. So he was ardent devotee of Rama. So out of frustration, he wanted to consume this diamond, but he was saved because it was flown away by the air. Means, diamond, anybody by mistake takes it, they will not survive. They cut our house. And seventh one is sapphire. Neelam, it's a blue sapphire. It's, Neelam, people who are born with the 8 number or Shani on the Saturn, they can only wear this Neelam. There are 4 types of Neelam, blue sapphire. Without verifying the astrologer, you should not wear that. It will give an adverse, different effect on the people. So people should be very careful to wear this Neelam. Then there are 2 other this thing called cat's eye. It's for Rahu and Ketu, what you call now. So it's called Vaidurium. Vaidurium. It's called cat's eye. Some people who are having done some magic, black magic and all, to remove that, people be wearing this cat's eye. It looks like a cat, eye of a cat, there will be a dot in that stone. It's called cat's eye. We say Vaidurium. So 9 gems. And last is a garnet. It's a little bit chocolate color. And we call it in Tamil as Gomedakam. Gomedakam. So, see, so I'm repeating this, all these 9 gems. Actually in India, what is the problem now? Our people, they don't have such a belief in this gems. But whereas in the foreign countries, people are doing research on this gemology. It's called gemology. Even in India, a lot of doctors, because they are treating the patients with the gems, gem therapy. I want to share one important, interesting message today regarding our eye. Every organ in our body is very important, but eye has got a prominence. See, when we are in a happy mood, we find happy tears flowing from, a salty tears flowing from this side. Whereas when we are sad, it is flowing from here. This is salty and this is sweet. There is a gland called lacrimal gland which produces tears, from the eyes. But how is that? Any doctor can do this. It's our feeling, when we are sad, when we are happy mood, a sweet liquid is flowing from here, from the side. Whereas when we are in a sad mood, a salty liquid flowing from here, from the nose. So this is something, wonder. It's only Creator can do it. So at the time we remember the God's creation and beauty in our using. So that is why a prominence again. Not only that, even when we go to temple, see, normally in our Hindu temples and all, you find that ladies are allotted one side and gents are allotted one side for darshan. Nobody stands before the God. Because what happened, this God, for a deity, all our children, everybody is equal. Does not show any partiality, like a mother, If suppose a mother is having two children, one is a collector, one is a ordinary worker, she will not treat them separately. She will make them sit in the same table and feed them equally without any. It's in Hindi they say, एक आंख में चूना और एक आंख में मक्खन, ऐसा थोड़ी रखा जाता है. So It's just like mother, no? It's a deity is for everybody. So it does not have any difference with anybody. So that's why when we stand before the God, she does not see exactly. I will be saying that this God is seeing me. Other fellows say God is seeing me. No. This God's vision view, it is from the angle. That's called kadaksham. In Tamil we say kadaksham. A special word called kadaksham. Means from the eye sideways she's seeing. That's why when the direct flow of that energy comes directly, we can't bear that. So that is why we are taking darshan from the side. So this is an information what I heard from somebody. I wanted to share with you. You note down that it's one of the beautiful thing that when somebody is in a sad mood, a salty liquid flows from the nose, and when we are in a happy mood, a sweet liquid flows from here.